Hello, everyone. I'm Harold Meadows. Welcome to my school community. I realize some of you are probably coming from direct access because my this community that I'm promoting here is private, so it's not searchable on the internet. You can't find this unless somebody directs you here, which probably was me. So I've launched this group. It's a business leader community. Okay, and I'll get into some more details about what it is, but what is Skool? So Skool is a community platform that has a learning capability, a classroom available, but it's really about community. So if you're in business and you have your customers, you could put them in a community. All right. So you could do tech support through your community. You could have your employees in their own learning management system community. So that way they can help each other and engage each other and create that stickiness inside of your business for your customers, your suppliers. Would be a great place, right? So if you needed to roll out information to all your suppliers, you could do it through this method. That's not how most people are using it today. I'm one of not many people from corporate that have come onto the Skool platform. They're here, and I'll show you that. But I wanted to give you a brief overview of what is this Skool thing and what you're going to get on the inside of this program, the way I have it designed today. Okay, so this is the school leaderboard for the school games. So I just want to show you a little bit about Skool. You have the Adonis School, 100 Days to Freedom, Forex for Women, She Creates Wealth, Max Premium, it's a business site, Anime Shreds. So you have Keyboard Rich, AI Automations, coding cohort where they do blacktop. I mean, there's a lot going on in here. There's hundreds of communities, thousands, and the platform is only at about 130,000 people right now. So if you think of like a Facebook group or a Kajabi classroom, it kind of blends those two, but it's designed around community. So you can email your entire group every 72 hours within the platform. And then your customers or whoever, your members of your community, can interact with each other and help each other for whatever purpose you have. So I love the platform. And I looked at it and said, well, what can I do inside of this platform to provide value? And what I came up with is my business management system. So I'll cover a little bit about that right now. So I have two school communities currently. So Definitive Innovations is my paid community. That's where you're at right now. So this is a paid community for business leaders. Ideally, your company size is probably 0 to somewhere around 200 employees. Beyond that, you probably have somebody dedicated in your company already that can provide approximately the same value as I can. Doesn't mean that 200, if you have more than 200, you're not allowed here. Absolutely. Come on in, and we would love to have your expertise in the community. And I'll go into a little more detail about that. Ubiquity is my free, absolutely free learning management system. So I'm taking the tools that I have learned in 20 years of business and giving them away for free. This is the same training I use for my supervisors and myself throughout my career. So this is my free site, which you can get through the links if you click on my profile. But I want to talk about Definitive Innovations, my business leader site. That's what this video is for. So the community overview, definitive-innovations.com is my website, my professional website. You can go there if you want a little more detail about me or what I can offer. Who am I? I'm Harold Meadows. You probably know me from LinkedIn. That's my primary place of getting people into my school platform. If not, over here underneath my profile, there is a link to my profile on LinkedIn, and you can learn my history, my business history. I have 20 years of operations management. I've transformed 42 operations. Most of those have been in Fortune 500 or larger. Designed a custom system to optimize your company processes. That's my primary training available, is business management system. The average size of the companies I've managed, or operations that I've managed, are around 25 million a year. And 150 employees. So if you're bigger than that, the value add is gonna diminish. However, you do have access to the peer network of other business leaders. The largest single project I've managed is $6.5 million. It was over the course of 18 months. I have over $6 million in documented productivity savings to date. I want to increase that number by helping you. And that's the documented ones, the ones where the customers had to sign off, not all the productivity savings. You can add this to my experience to your team for only $999 a month. So some exclusive benefits as I see them. You're adding 20 years of experience in operations management, a resource to your company by joining this community. Specialized quality management expertise, ISO 9001, 17025, AS 9100D, or just general calibration management. I have a tremendous amount of experience in those things. You will receive an NDA as soon as you join. So as soon as I know your company name, I will send you over a non-disclosure agreement from Definitive Innovations, my LLC. So you don't have to share anything that you're not comfortable with in the community. So just so you're aware, but I will be under NDA, so I can help you. You will receive one-on-one direct access and support based on availability. Get expert advice in a subscription model, so there's no 1099 or W-2 with this. You're paying for a subscription. Through that subscription, I will help you. Some more benefits here, full access to business owner, leader, peer community. So I'm only inviting business owners or business leaders into the community. All of your employees get free access to the training, the Ubiquity site that I showed you, which is directly tied to this business management system. I'm going to offer an ability to buy up more time as required. This is based on availability. So obviously, I think that companies are going to decrease in size, and more people are going to go into a contractor type footprint. This gives you access to that without having to worry about 1099s and W-2s. So I will make available the ability to go, hey, I want to pull in Harold for a few more hours this month, and I will make that something you can do. From strategic planning to daily task guidance, that's really the core of what I do. So we'll get your goals, your mission, your vision, and then we will break that down into the business management system to track the goals. We will further break that down into daily actionable tasks, so you're seeing the momentum of your improvements, whatever initiatives you're driving within that system. And I will show you how to do all of that. It's not just a system, it's full implementation support. So I will be there as you implement the business management system. I will be there with you. If you already have a business management system and you just are tweaking yours, I obviously will it's customizable, so we can do that. I'm holding daily office hours. Currently at 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can click on my calendar, which is available down below in the writing. If there's a time slot available, you can grab it. I will control the hours of availability through my Calendly. So all training modules and materials are available at level 1. There's no if you're familiar with Skool, at different levels it unlocks different courses. You have a way to like drip the content. In this community, we're not going to do that. So everything that is provided as far as training type material will all be available to you at level 1. What is this business management system? So what I've done is I've taken business management systems as I've studied them throughout my 20-year career, and as I've walked into ops and assessed them using more of a DMAIC style: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. I've broken them down into these categories so that way I can drive goals or initiatives within specific categories and we don't get the scope creep. So, my dog wants to say hello here. So, safety, quality, strategy, delivery, inventory, financials, forecasting, stakeholders, communication, systems, and software. That's how it's broke down. I think you'll find that just about any initiative in your company can fit in one of these buckets. So this is customizable. We don't have to use all these buckets. You don't have to use them. In the Honeywell operating system, they use pieces of this. In the Danaher business system, they use other pieces. I feel that this has been comprehensive enough for me to use in any op. So what kind of results can you expect from doing this? I wanted to cover that. So from history and experience of transforming ops, if you already have a business management system in place, you may not see these high results. If you are further down the path of continuous improvement and operations excellence, you may see lower results than these. These are typical results, some from companies that had business management systems that I've worked with, and some have had none. So these are, if you have no business management system at all, if you are not driving your goals on a daily basis, then you're probably going to see better results than this. All right, so these are some of the things that I've seen. Inventory reductions by over 50%. Lead time reduced by over 25%. That's to delivery. Defects, quality escapes reduced by over 30%. Process costs reduced by over 25%. Administrative costs reduced by over 23%. Customer satisfaction improved by over 19%. Productivity improved by over 17%. Expense reductions over 20%. So those are some of the benefits that you can expect to get by joining this community and implementing the processes that I teach here and with my help. It's designed for companies under 200 employees because that's kind of the sweet spot when you're from zero. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur and you're just starting your business, if you design your processes from scratch this way, it's much easier on the implementation side. If you already have a company, 50, 100 employees, you're going to get a bigger financial impact, but it's harder to implement because we have to merge it with what you're currently doing. So additionally, beyond that, what can we do for you? If you want to set up a training site or a supplier site or a customer site and build a community of that, I can help you with that. And I can help you with that without joining here. You can just join my free site and I'll help you there. So I get a referral if you build a community and they pay me to, I get a revenue from that. And plus I just want to help you. I think that this is going to, Skool platform is really going to explode. I've seen the numbers go up almost 20%, I want to say, since I've joined in the past like 7 weeks. So this platform is taking off, and it's new, and it's a different format, and I know that can feel odd, but it's here, and I don't think it's going anywhere at all. It's going to only grow. Um, Inside of the community here, you have another video. This is the video I'm remaking right now. So these are some of the companies I've worked with. This is my LinkedIn profile, also available here. You can create your own community from this link if you just want to go it out on your own. And then if you want to look at my website, it's here. This is how you join, is the button here. It will have the price there. It's $9.99 right now. So you can read through this. If you have any questions, my Calendly link is right here. So you can click that and book a 30-minute, 60-minute meeting with me and talk about it more. I do estimate this at around $18,000 a month in value. It's not all the value because the training site itself, typical LMS costs between $5 to $22 a month per employee. So if you have over 50 employees, I'm giving you the LMS piece for free. It's just not specific to your company. If you want one specific for your company, I can help you build that. All right. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview and update some of the offer. So thanks for coming. I hope to see you inside or just around school. Check it out. It's pretty interesting. Have a good day.